Welcome back to the Crypto Nest. So a quick recap on Ali, Artificial Liquid Intelligence. So we said that if I zoom out a little bit, it did a strong 1 and 2 here, and then because it did a very long wave 2, usually the wave 4, it's kind of quick, and well, this honestly it's very quick, so it's not my favorite count, would say, but it's still possible. The other way to count, I'm not putting it today because I'm a little bit short in time, but this could have been just a 1 and this is a 2, this was a 3 and this is a 4, but then we're having a very long wave 2 and 4, and then usually it's either one or the other that's going to be long. And for the moment, I would say if we take the option that this 5 wave have been completed and we're making this A, B, C correction, well, I would say the A and the B wave is done. And now we're doing this, waiting for the wave C to complete. Up to now, I think it worked pretty well, even though I don't like this movement because it's more corrective and not impulsive, but we'll see how it goes. And also maybe I can make the Fibonacci extension. Let's see how deep should it go if this is the end A and this was indeed the end of the wave B. So usually it's between the 0.6 and the 1, so you can see that we have a very big box here. So let me see here. Well, I'm not going to do another box because after that it's going to be a little bit messy. But so we said the 0.6, sometimes it's a relevant point. So maybe I can add, what is the text here? Here you go. So this would be 0.618 of wave A. Oops. Alright, so this would be that, and yeah, because the big movement of the wave 1 also, this is still the ideal retracement for the wave 2. Actually, let me do it again to see if it's the right thing. So we said this is the 1 and this is the 5. There you go. So yeah, so this is between the 0.5 and the 0.786. So this is still a valid point. And as you can see, let me put that here like that. So we just entered the ideal retracement. I had some alarms, they got triggered. So now today I'm monitoring carefully these trends. So now I'm going to put some trends actually. So I think we can put one from here to here. So I'm going to do so like this. But actually, you know what? Even a more relevant one would be more short term and do like this. And I think we can do the same maybe here like that. Alright, so now I'm going to check how it's going to do and react with those two trend lines. But as you can see, it kind of react a little bit on these trend lines. So I will see more in detail after during the day and during the weekend. Let me see here. Wow, this is the 1 hour chart. So let me go maybe 4 hours. It's give me more time to see. Okay, so I can see maybe that we're starting to have a bullish crossover. If these waves they start to be you can see you can draw a trend line, and so maybe we're going to flip positive. The RSI, we are not doing that yet. No sign of bullish crossover yet on the 4 hours. Let's see on the 1 hour, which is the most important one anyway. So let me shrink a little bit. Okay, so we can see that the RSI were still decreasing in value, and the MACD as well were losing momentum. So yeah, so I'm expecting lower prices still. And then let me see here the okay, so this red line here, this is the MA 200. Actually, let me so okay, so we at least we have an idea, and as I said, often the price will go back to the MA. So I think I'm going to wait a little bit. Well, for sure, if the price goes to the 0.04, I'm going to get some. More likely, I'm going to get some at this level as well, which is let me put it. It's 0.0467 or something about that area. I'm just going to dollar cost average a little bit. The biggest sum that I'm going to put back, it would be around this level at 4 cents. And then, if we do maybe, something like that, it would be, let's also remember that the price, eventually always come back to the MA 200. Also, Bitcoin now, even if it does this fifth wave and is going to skyrocket, maybe for a last fifth wave, if it does, because maybe it's not going to do it. So if it does, then we're going to have a big correction wave 2. So it's going to drag all the coins down. And then if he already did the fifth wave, then it's going to drag all the crypto coins, altcoins, down as well. So, I would say there is no... I'm not FOMO, so I'm waiting price to come to me. I'm not buying at this level because I found it's still high and it can go lower. And if I miss out, well, I still have some. So so that's the best strategy in my opinion. So all right, so this is all for today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good Saturday.